I'm unboxing my cordless 550-watt vacuum stick. I just got it today, so let's go ahead and look and see what's included. All right, so there is a user's manual, and then there's actually a little quick start guide, so that's helpful. It comes with, of course, the motor, and in there is where it collects all the dirt. There is a vacuum head, of course, and then it's got a nice brush on the bottom of that. There is the battery charger, the power cord, one of the attachments here, and the adjustable pole. It does adjust. I'm not really sure if it's long enough for a tall person, but it does adjust. There we go. So it does adjust for a shorter person, of course. And then it has one of the filters. The other filter is already in the motor. There's the mount that goes with the mount for the attachments, and another attachment, and the brush. So those are all the things that are included. Everything snaps together easily, so you can see I've got it all put together here, and then I just have to push on that and it will basically unlock it because it stands on its own. All right, so I'm testing this vacuum stick out. It actually has 3 levels. I like using it on high. It has a green light, so that's nice. Don't really need it, but I like that it has it. And then you can see it's already picking up the dirt here. And what I like is that it's not just smoothing over the rug, it's actually fluffing it up a little bit, so I do like that. The vacuum stick came partially charged, and I was able to actually do the whole house. You can see all the yuck that I was able to capture here. And the only thing I have trouble with is it doesn't really stand that well on carpet, but it does work. Here is just a page that's nice to know, different controls, different options it has. And overall, I would say that this is just a really nice, powerful vacuum stick that's doing what I need for it to do, and I would recommend it.